Okay, it looks like we have the warning light focus for the water filter replacement on this Samsung refrigerator. First of all, what you have to do is shut off the water source. I did that already, and then release any water pressure that might be left in the water line. And we are going to try to get some water. Oy, 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 until the pressure is gone. Okay, so once we did that, let's put this away, and it's time to remove the filter. And this is going to be as easy as turning counterclockwise. So we're gonna go like this. You have to be careful, there might be some water leakage. So I'm gonna put this away. And we are going to put in the new filter. Let me get this out of the package, because it's gonna be a little hard. And here it is, out of the package. Now, for warranty purposes, you should probably use the brand of your fridge, which is suggested by the manufacturer here in your instructions booklet. Now this, we need to remove this cap. There it is. And again, this filter is good for 6 months, 300 gallons. And I had this fridge about 6 months ago, so here we go. So now to put the water filter in use. We're gonna push it in and turn it clockwise. So out, and it doesn't really matter you go like this or you go like that. The lock is gonna be, your arrow has to point to that position, whether it is this one or the other one. So kind of push a little bit, start turning, and then lock it in place. Close the fridge. Now to reset that light, on this fridge we had to press and hold the ice type water for 3 seconds for that to reset. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and there it is. Okay, so once you turn the water supply back on, let's clear some water from the line, maybe air, and we are going to do that by getting out. Oh my, there we go. Try to get rid of the whatever air is in the line. I guess the fridge has a limit on dispensing water. I might have to go through the manual again and find out about it. In the meantime, enjoy your fresh water with your new filter, and wash you later. Thank you.